What's up, Green Rhino Project? Back with another one. This one we're not on the van today, but it's just as important as being on the van. Seeing the process and stuff. And I know that many of my viewers on this channel are just starting out or thinking about starting out, and they're binge watching videos and stuff like that. And I happen to be one that they came across. And hey, I get a lot of comments and feedback that tells me that I'm helping a lot of people out, so that keeps me motivated. So it's the whole educational thing for me in this channel. So it's an entrepreneur channel, right? So and in this case, it's the floor cleaning business, carpet cleaning. So one thing about the carpet cleaning business or any business in general, I don't care what you're doing, okay? Your reputation seriously matters. So if you're getting into this business thinking it's purely about the money, period, that's it, you're probably not going to make it, because you have to have that business model that'll bring you success. Okay? And strategy. There's strategies to that, which I teach you in my school. Okay? So I get more deeper into, these strategies that will make you succeed in this business. You're a professional now. You're there to save them money, right? You're gonna save their carpet, and they're dependent on you, and you need to present yourself as that professional carpet cleaner, technician. Also, since you did such a good job and they like you, they like the way you present yourself, right? They want to talk about you. And the best way to help your business is by your name being recommended, your business name being recommended to, friends, neighbors, or whatnot, right? But if you want to think about what's really going to drive your success in this business, it's going to be your reputation, of course, but how are they going to find your reputation? They're going to find it online. So one of the main tools that all businesses are doing nowadays, and if you're not doing it, you're really not operating your full potential, is getting as many reviews as you could on Google. All right? So Google profile, Google local businesses. But you know what I'm talking about is when you type in carpet cleaning in your city and a list of carpet cleaners show up there, that's where you need to be. And just being on there is not enough. And honestly, they won't see you unless you get reviews. So reviews is really what's gonna make your business succeed. Okay? So what you want to do is get as many reviews as you can, so Google will bring your business up to the top 3 there. Okay? And once you're up to the top 3 or close to there, you're going to see a major difference in your business. Now, how do we do that? We ask our customers to give us reviews, right? So we do the job. We say, hey, customer, you mind give us a review? It really helps our business out, Oh, sure, no problem. Yeah, we'll definitely get on that. Day 1, day 2, you never see the review. Okay? Because most of the time, customers they're not thinking about it, right? And that's just life, okay? That's just life. They're not being like, just, most of the time, they're not just purposely, no, I'm not going to give them a review. They just don't think about it, right? Kids running around, pets, appointments, right? So what a lot of us do is we get a software, and we can ask for reviews. Okay, so House Call Pro, for example. When I press finish, it will go ahead and shoot a text to my customer and ask for a review. Still, your percentage of getting a review is very, very low. Probably more like 10%. Okay? Or these people are going to actually find the time to click on there and give you a review. So, what do? So, there's services out there. But guys, not all services are created equal. Okay? Think about your industry. you know? So, yeah, there's a company that actually does things a little bit differently. Okay? So, this company is called Review Harvest. And I personally, got on the phone with the guy, had meetings with them and their company, and they're legit guys. And what I like about them is they, they charge by the review. So there's no costly subscription that you got to do. You get caught in maybe three-month subscription, for God knows what amount, And what if they're not performing? Okay? So what I like about this product service is that it takes any of the work that you're going to do out of your hands. You only pay per review. And yeah, if you don't get no results, you don't pay. So, I mean, that's the best way to go. So, they've worked with hundreds of, different businesses and amazing results. So look, when they do it, they customize it. They'll add an image there with your customer's name, right? It integrates with your current software if you're using something like Java or House Call Pro. And it's kind of a hands-off deal, right? It takes like 10 minutes to set up and you're up and going. So yeah, simple. You don't have to pay up front. You're not stuck in a contract. You pay for review. Can it get any better? No, I don't think so. And it's important, guys. It's really, really important because if you don't get those reviews up, odds of you succeeding aren't that good, unfortunately. You're going to have to advertise a lot more than you would with a bunch of reviews. So what I'm saying is, if you're not getting any work from people Googling carpet cleaning in your area and go ahead and them clicking on the company right there where you should be, okay, because they got a lot of reviews, you're going to be paying a lot more. Okay, you're going to have to advertise. And you're going to have to advertise forever. Because if you're not going to be either in the organic top of the page, which isn't that important, guys, believe it or not. Okay, if you're not at least there or in the Google profile listings there, your Google businesses, yeah, you can advertise forever. So that's something you need to do. The less money you put on advertising, the more money you're going to make, right? And this is a service business. Not everybody wants strangers in their house. So when they do, and they like your service, they're going to be most likely ready to go ahead and say, hey, yeah, I'll give you a review. And that's what we need, right? So that's just one component of this business, but it's very, very, very important. If you think that you're going to succeed in this business, not worrying about your reputation, just get in there, throw some solution on the carpet, rinse it out, and bounce to the next one as quick as you can. Well, you probably don't want reviews anyway because that's not your business model. You're just all about high advertising. I mean, there's guys that are in Las Vegas that literally advertise $10,000-$20,000 a month. But they're that bait and switch type company. And they're always going to be doing that, right? And pretty soon, their reputation is going to be so bad, they have to change their name and just go ahead and doing the same business model they're doing. So you got to figure out what kind of business model you want for your business. and it should be the review based. It should be quality. If you watch on my channel and you're pretty much implementing what I do every day, then you see that's what I present, and it's worked out well for me. Okay, so if you wanna go ahead and check out this product, this service, this software, you're gonna get 5 free reviews, and you know what? It's free to start on this. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. There'll be a link below there. Use that link to get the 5 free reviews, and try it out. If you don't like it, hey, cancel it. But hey, I doubt it. I think you'll like it. So that's it for this one. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one. We rise up like a phoenix ignite. No chains hold us, we run the race. Clean Rhino breaking through.